Hello, I am Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, coming to you with this week's Rockamercial, your guide to what's happening here in rocking Richmond County. We're here at VFW Post 4203 in Rockingham, where on Saturday night, January the 27th, starting at 6 p.m., they will be shagging for our soldiers. This event will feature several musical guests, including Jonathan Robinson Band, the Safety Committee Band, and also the Beach Fever Band. They will be selling hot dogs, and all proceeds from this event will go to create care packages, which you can see right behind me, several already assembled for our local veterans and deployed troops. In addition to the care packages, they will be collecting non-perishable food items with a goal of collecting 500 pounds to take to the VFW State Conference next weekend, where they will be contributing to a statewide initiative to help homeless veterans. So come out this Saturday night, shag for our soldiers, have a good time, good food, here at VFW Post 4203 in Rockingham. Before the fun here Saturday night, there is fun tonight in Hamlet at Axe to Grind. They will have music bingo. On Friday night, there's more live music at Axe to Grind with Oero. In Rockingham, it is Robin's birthday bash at Hudson Brothers, and this will feature live music with Jeremy Robinson and friends. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke Friday night. Saturday night, in addition to shagging for soldiers here at VFW Post 4203 in Rockingham, they will have karaoke with Bowtie in Hamlet at Axe to Grind. At Double Vision, they will have DJ Roy G. On Monday, January 29th, Arts Richmond in downtown Rockingham is hosting a workshop. This workshop will teach you how to make wall pocket clay hearts. You can sign up for the workshop on the Arts Richmond Facebook page, where you will find the Eventbrite link. You can also find that link to register in our newsletter for this week. On Tuesday at Hudson Brothers, they will have their famous lasagna. And on Wednesday, they will have open mic and they will have karaoke at Strikers in the lounge. And this is Strikers Bowling Alley in Rockingham on Wednesday. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. And there you will find a link to all of our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And you can also sign up for our blog so you can receive our weekly newsletter and other announcements every week in your email. We hope to see you here in Rockingham, shagging for our soldiers Saturday night. But if not, we will see you next week.